This video shows you how to replace a printhead on an HP Latex 700 or 800 series printer. Replace the printhead when you are prompted to do so by the front panel. On the printer's front panel, tap Inks, then the Printheads tab, then tap Replace. Open the Carriage cover. Pull up and release the latch on top of the Carriage. Lift up the cover. To remove a printhead, lift up its blue handle. Gently pull the blue handle upward until the printhead is released from the Carriage. Do not pull abruptly, as this can damage the printhead. The FI tower is the structure into which the printhead is inserted, and through which the ink arrives at the printhead. Whenever you remove a printhead, check whether the FI tower has a lot of ink on it. If so, clean it with a lint-free cloth before inserting a new printhead. The front panel display will show which printhead is missing. If the printhead is new, hold it upright, with the protective caps facing down, and shake the printhead vigorously in an up and down motion for about 15 seconds. Be careful not to strike the printhead against anything while you're shaking it, because this could cause damage. Next, remove the orange protective caps by pulling them down. Insert the new printhead into its correct slot in the Carriage. Insert the printhead slowly and vertically, straight down. It can be damaged if you insert it too quickly, or at an angle, or if you rotate it as you insert it. You may feel some resistance when inserting the printhead, so you need to press it down firmly but smoothly. Following the same procedure as before, insert any other printheads that need to be installed. Then, close the printhead cover. Lower the latch so that it rests on the cover. When all of the printheads have been inserted correctly and the printer has accepted them, the printer beeps. If the printer does not beep when you insert the printhead and the replace message appears on the front panel display, you might need to reinsert the printheads. Close the Carriage cover. The front panel display confirms that all of the printheads are correctly inserted. The printer starts checking and preparing the printheads. After all the printheads are checked and prepared, the printhead realignment procedure will run automatically if a substrate is loaded. If the substrate is not loaded, the printer will request you to do so, in order to perform the calibration.